alaikum and hello to everyone. Eid is around the corner, so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Everyone loves decorating their homes. For me, flowers are the best and only option when decorating my home for Eid. And today we're going to be creating this beautiful vase of flowers using the 7-4-1 technique. I'm sure that when you buy a bunch of roses, you buy it as is and then just open it up and place it into a vase. Well, today I'm going to show you a different technique that you can use to make these bunch of roses look absolutely more attractive. Let's start by removing the bunch of roses that we purchased and then just placing it like so and opening out all the stems. Once I've done that, I'm going to separate the colors. So here I've got peach and here I've got a pink and green. I've just added in some of the rose food or flower food. Now I need to decide which flowers are going to go around the edges. So I'm going to use 7 of the peach and 5 of the pink roses. All I'm going to do now is trim off the leaves and leave these aside. But I'm going to keep these stems, the first stems on the flower, and do the same thing for all the roses. And so these are what you will end up with. Now I'm going to take the peach roses, which I'm going to use 7 of, and I'm going to just measure enough so that it's able to sit at the base of the vase like so with the leaves. So I'm going to need to trim off about this much. And always cut your roses at an angle. And then place it into the vase. This still looks a bit high. Let me trim off some more. There we go. That looks better. And do the same for all the roses. So if you take out the rose, you're going to measure and cut off all of them the same size. So I should have 7 of these. All right, now take the 7 peach roses and place them into the vase like so. Now you can see you have a whole line of peach roses and they look so beautiful. Now we've got the 5 pink roses, and the pink roses we're going to start with 4 of them because it's the 7-4-1 technique. And I'm just going to place the one of the roses in to see the height. And we need to make this a little shorter, like maybe about 5 centimeters shorter. So let's try that. There we go. So I'm going to make all of them the same size. So the next layer is going to be 4 roses. And I'm going to need these 4 to be the same size. So I'm just going to snip off. Those and place them in the center, and I'd like 2 to be on this side and 2 to be at the back like so. And this one rose is going to have to be the tallest, so I'm going to place this like so without cutting it at all. And I also have these baby breads, so let's see how we can place this. So I've just placed in these baby breads in between all the flowers. Fill in some of the portions with the leaves that you cut out, just so that it looks prettier. And this is what the 7-4-1 flower arranging technique will look like You've got your one flower at the top, you've got your 4 roses in the middle, and you've got your 7 roses at the base of the vase. And what you can also do is tie a ribbon along the side, just to make it look a little bit more pretty. So the next time someone gives you a bunch of roses, don't just dump them in a vase. Take a little time and arrange it like so, using the 7-4-1 technique, and catch you in the next vlog.